Oh yeah, Friday. Here we go. I got your Burn at Home workout. I'm Coach Skip, and we've had a great week here at Wildfire. We're celebrating the last week of the CrossFit Games Open with workout 19.5 that we're going to be doing tomorrow at 10 a.m. here. If you're wanting to check out what the Open is all about, this is your last chance. Come cheer us on. See all these awesome athletes doing amazing work in this last workout of the Open, of the 2019 CrossFit Games Open. Today, we got a workout for you. We're going to go for a warm-up, 3 rounds of 30 run in place, 10 good mornings, 10 plank shoulder taps, and then 20 flutter kicks. So starting with that run in place, again, 3 rounds, we're going to do 30 of them. And on that run in place, we just want you staying on those toes, keeping those knees up in front, and just a nice light jog just to get the heart rate up, get that blood flowing. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, really get those knees up high and go as fast as you can. If you need to take it back a notch, just do a standing march and just step as you go, and just more like a walking in place than anything. So after your 30 run in place, you've got 10 good mornings. So bend at the waist, soft bend in the knees, but really you should feel this in the hamstrings and the glutes. And then as you come up, really snap forward and squeeze the butt at the top every time. Really use this as a stretch. This should feel good. Shouldn't be real challenging. If you need to hold on to something just for a little bit of balance, that's totally okay. After the 10 good mornings, we've got 10 plank shoulder taps. So you're going to be in that plank position, and you're just going to be reaching up and tapping your right arm to your left shoulder, left arm to your right shoulder, and just back and forth here. If you need to go off your knees, that's okay. Same thing. Just really work on keeping that torso straight. And if you need to use a platform, the higher the platform, the easier it's going to be. Same thing here, right back and forth. Just make sure you do have a lean so you've got some pressure on that upper body and shoulders. After your 10 plank shoulder taps, you're going to be doing 20 flutter kicks. So flat on your back, point those toes, hands out on your sides, and really keep a nice tight kick here. If you need a little bit more stability for your hips, you can put your hands right underneath your hips here as you get that flutter kick. Right plus left equals 1 on all these exercises. And then, of course, from a sitting position, you can do the same thing here with that same flutter kick. So 3 rounds, 30 run in place, 10 good mornings, 10 plank shoulder taps, and then 20 flutter kicks. For the workout today, we've got a 5-minute AMRAP that you're going to repeat 2 more times for a total of 3 rounds. So 5 minutes, 1 minute rest, 5 minutes, 1 minute rest, and then 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, you're going to go as fast as possible because you know you're going to have that 1 minute rest coming up. We're going to be doing 10 lunges, 10 plank to push-ups, 10 lemon squeezers, and 10 alternating Superman. So nice, easy rep count, 10 of each exercise, starting with the lunges. On that lunge, you're just going to be taking that big step, touch that knee to the ground, and then drive the heel away, getting back to the standing position, and then switch legs. So just going back and forth here. Again, right plus left does equal 1 on these. If you need to do it from more of a step, if that range of motion isn't quite there for you, then grab a box, a stair in the house, anything like that will work. Something about 8 to 12 inches tall is what we're looking for. And it's the same, we're working the same muscles. This just is going to be a little bit less resistance on the body. So just do a stand up and down each time. If you're able to get down but not quite all the way down, just a couple inches from the ground, that's totally fine. Just do your best. Best range of motion is what you've got today. Tomorrow, it'll get a little bit better. After your 10 lunges, we're going to be doing 10 plank to push-ups. So similar to the plank shoulder taps, only this time we're starting in that plank position and then going up to the push-up position and back down to the plank position. So right here, up and down, working the shoulders and the core. If you need to go from the knees, you can do the same thing here. And of course, that platform, make sure there is some kind of a lean here. Just right up and down the exact same way. Next is going to be the lemon squeezer. So in that lemon squeezer, you're going to be on your back in that hollow position and then squeezing, reaching for your heels, bringing your knees into your chest and then letting it go. Again, pretend you've got that lemon on your belly button and you're making lemonade right in here. If you need to go from a sitting position, you'll do the same movement here where you're squeezing, reaching for the heels, and right back down. Just keep that motion going. Finally, we've got 10 alternating Superman. So again, you're gonna be on the ground, on your stomach this time, and you're gonna bring your left arm and right leg up, and then right arm and left leg up. And just back and forth here. Again, right plus left equals 1 on these. If getting up and down on the ground is an issue for you, then just do this from a standing position and push those hips forward and right back again. And forward and right back again. Really get that squeeze in the butt, squeeze your shoulder blades together and work that core at the same time. So 5-minute AMRAP, 3 times, 1 minute rest in between each one, 10 lunges, 10 plank to push-ups, 10 lemon squeezers, and then 10 alternating Superman. Go as hard as you can, go as fast as you can, get as many rounds as possible in each 5-minute period. And at the beginning of each period, you are going to pick up where you left off. So you're just getting total rounds over all 15 minutes of work. So happy Friday, have a great one. Make this a great workout, and we'll see you on Monday with another one. So thanks a lot. Coach Skip signing off. Have a great weekend.